How to fix Shopee M04 problem. So this is technically an error that you can't specifically fix. It's more of something that is set. So it usually means that the voucher or promotion you're trying to use isn't valid for your current order setup. This can happen when your order doesn't meet the promo's conditions, like wrong items, wrong payment method, or insufficient spending amounts. Since there are vouchers that, of course, you're gonna have to follow requirements. Let's say over here, we have this mega discount, 15% off, capped at 400. So you're gonna make sure that you're spending at least 250 pesos on that specific item. If it's anything lower, the voucher will not be used, of course, since it's not following the requirements. There's also others over here that does the similar thing, but if it's not about your minimum spend, there could be reasons like your order setup. Let's say it's a voucher for COD, and if you're not using that specific payment method, let's say you're using card or bank account, then it's not gonna work since the requirement is COD. So of course, make sure it does follow the requirements, and it could possibly work. So the other reasons why this could happen is the voucher could be expired or fully redeemed, so you can check in your My Vouchers, which is just found in your account, to see if it's still active or it's still not reached the minimum spent by the users. So over here, there's still 99% use, for an example. If it's still 99% use, of course, there's still 1% left. You could enter that 1% since it's still open, of course. But those are pretty much the reasons why this M04 does happen. So you could fix this by following the requirements and checking if the voucher itself is still active or not expired or whatnot. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.